Hi everyone, how is your journey going on? I hope everything is smooth with you. It's great to see you all again in this video. Since deciding to quit my old job, one question has always been on my mind. What will I do? After leaving my old company, I tried many ways to sell my artwork, but none of them yielded positive results. It really made me doubt whether drawing was still right for me. And that was part of the reason I wanted to change direction. However, I had been making money from drawing for 3 years, so I didn't know what else I could do to make a living. So I tried every idea that came to mind, and if it didn't work, I moved on to another direction. This cycle repeated until I realized that there wasn't ineffective approaches. Clearly, in every direction I took, whether it was drawing, making chill music videos, or even sculpting with clay, I could completely do it, and everything garnered a certain number of followers. It's just that they don't bring in profits as directly as my old job, so I thought it wasn't effective. That's when I realized that what wasn't suitable for me anymore wasn't drawing or any other job, but my old idea about how money come to me. I chose to quit my salary job because I no longer wanted people to pay me to do what they wanted. So now material things will come to me in other way. And even though I'm not earning any money, I'm still living, still doing what I like, and experiencing what I want to experience. Then I realized the question what will I do is no longer difficult to answer. I can do anything as long as I love it. I can continue sculpting clay or going back to drawing whenever I feel inspired, even trying sewing door clothes, or switch to any other path that the journey ahead leads me to. What matters isn't whether I make money or not, but what I gain in the process. There are experiences and lessons that are more valuable than the material compensation I received in my old job. As long as I can do it and I want to do it, everything will be worthwhile. Besides, I'm selling my own design t-shirts. If you're interested and want to support me, you can visit my store via the link in the description. Now, let's enjoy this week's video. Thank you for coming to my video. See ya in the next ones.